How to transfer TikTok drafts to your new phone. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you transfer TikTok drafts to your new phone. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your TikTok app and make sure you are logged in with that account. And now from here, to view the drafts of your account, you'll have to tap on the profile icon just at the bottom right corner of this screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you'll be able to see your drafts here. So to export that, you'll have to tap on your draft, and from here you'll have to choose the draft whom you want to transfer from your old phone to the new phone. So simply I will choose this one. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the options more. So simply you have to go the options and make sure that you have allow the settings like save to device. So you have to turn on these settings from here, save to device. So you have to turn on this. And now from here you'll have to go the options like privacy settings. So you have to tap on this everyone can view this post. So you have to tap on it. And now from here in the privacy setting you'll have to set it like only you. So simply you have to set the privacy setting only you can view this post. So now from here you'll have to tap on this post option. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully downloaded that draft video on my gallery. So from now, I will have to transfer this draft to my new phone. So this is the method to transfer TikTok draft to your new phone. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.